We are here with a new video of Tux Paint to select different background and how to do coloring in different backgrounds. In Tux Paint we have some inbuilt backgrounds. For example, when we click on new and open, but first we need to choose the background. For example, see, there are different backgrounds available, different inbuilt images are there. We can choose any one of them to make our drawings, to make the interest of the students in Tux Paint. There are some inbuilt drawings. To go upwards, we will choose this upward arrow on the top of the screen. See, my cursor is hovering there. For example, I am choosing this one. It has some funny sounds also to make interest of the students. Some cute sounds, some amazing sounds are there. Now in this also we can fill the color, and we can also draw something if we want. For example, if I want to draw something, some star shape, stars are already there, but if I want some more to be drawn, then we can draw from the shapes. I have clicked on the shapes, these shapes. Now on the right side, if you see, the shapes are coming. Fine, shapes are coming. We can choose star shape. We can choose the shape any one. One is filled, this is filled, and this is unfilled. This is 4-pointed star, this is 5-pointed star. I am choosing 5-pointed star with a little bit of grey color. I have chosen filled color. See, it has drawn. My star has been drawn. Now I want to fill the colors. I am using fill. I want to fill linear or radial, whatever I want, or solid. It's your choice. I am choosing shaped. There is earth or some planets have been given. We can choose any color. For example, for earth I am choosing blue, and I am filling blue here. For these patches on the earth, I am choosing something grey or brown. Brown. You can choose linear or brush. It's your choice. You can choose anything. I'm just showing it to you to make the concepts clear. Here it is to be filled with blue. I'm choosing solid now. On the stair I can choose any color. For example, I am choosing grey. On this planet I can fill something little to golden. For golden, for changing the color, I'll click on this. Click on this and choose any shade of golden from here. I can change the shades also. After choosing the shade, click on this green button, OK, and I am filling the color. To show the rings, I am choosing red color, and rings have been filled. For these stars, I am choosing light grey. For this water drops, I am choosing again blue. For the background that is white appearing, I am choosing light blue from here. Of this blue. After choosing the color, I can click on OK, green button. They are also the same. And I am saving it. So it is saying to quit. Yes, I am done.